Finally, a recipe so simple that only I can screw it up. Stay tuned. Today I found a recipe for a dish called Aloo Jeera. This looks like the simplest potato dish that a human being could make. So we're going to try it. But before we do, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. In a pressure cooker, layer 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of the oil of your choice. Mix together 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. 250 grams of chopped potatoes. It did not specify how big the pieces were supposed to be, so I basically quartered the potato and then cut it into maybe finger-sized bits. I don't know how it'll work, we'll find out together. Seal it in the pressure cooker, cook it on high for 4 minutes. That's it. You can actually completely skip that if you want to. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can just fry it up. So there's no excuse not to give this recipe a try. So let's see how it turned out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Hopefully you can. This is Aloo Jeera, easy to make spiced potato dish. Let's see what happens. You can see right there. Okay, that's really good. I like the balance of flavors. I like absolutely everything about it. I think the pieces needed to be much smaller than that so they would cook a little more. It's not that it's raw in the middle, it just could be a little softer. The interesting thing is that this is kind of the same spices, although in slightly different proportions, as upu curry, which I like a lot. So I'm wondering if you don't know what else to do, if you just kind of mix those up, if it doesn't make for, it's like, I don't know what to do with this. Well, let me just throw these ingredients at it and boom, instant win. Maybe we'll do that for next week's video. We'll just try cooking different things with these spices and see what happens. So stay tuned. We'll see how that goes. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, don't do this. Do this instead. Because it heals you and makes you a whole productive person. And who couldn't use that? Hit me up on social media, subscribe. We release videos Thursday and Friday. And that's it. I'm JD. I'm out.